Jack stared at the array of carving tools laid out on the workbench. The soft hum of the workshop surrounded him as he embarked on his journey into the world of wood carving. All right, he thought to himself, time to get the basics. Lesson 1. Acquire basic tools. Jack carefully selected a few carving chisels, each with a different shape and purpose. His hands traced the edges, getting familiar with the tools that would soon become an extension of his creativity. Safety first, he reminded himself, slipping on a pair of sturdy gloves and securing protective goggles. He was ready to dive into the fascinating realm of wood carving. Choosing the right wood was the next step. Jack opted for a piece of soft pine. Its light color and fine grain promised a forgiving canvas for his first attempts. As he began to carve, the tools felt both foreign and powerful in his hands. Jack experimented with the different chisels, carving out basic shapes and practicing controlled movements. He learned that the flat chisel was ideal for smoothing surfaces, the cross-cut chisel for creating fine details, and the gouge for shaping curves. Jack felt the wood yield to his efforts, revealing the potential within. The scent of fresh pine filled the air, and with each careful stroke, Jack gained confidence. He discovered the importance of carving in the direction of the wood grain, preventing any unwanted splits or fractures. Lesson 1 wasn't just about acquiring tools. It was about understanding their language, feeling the connection between the artist and the medium. As Jack carved away, he realized that in the dance between the chisel and the wood, a new form of expression was taking shape, one that spoke of patience, precision, and the joy of creating something unique from a simple block of timber.